Live experience design is one of the most compelling and forward-looking master's programs in the world today.
We're doing something new that's not been done before. We focus on multi-channel audio, multi-screen video, automated lighting, interactive performance control, and broadcast video.
Each and every single one of us are artists. Our cohort is so diverse.
Some might be animators, graphic designers, musicians, performers, or lighting designers.
They learn a ton from each other, and they learn through the experiences here on our stages. From concert, theater, dance, installation, or exhibit.
Preparing artist technicians for in-demand, high-paying jobs.
Not only is it a program teaching technological-based skills, but it's also fostering the creative space and how we can push it even further.
Really looking very deeply into every single tool to create something that is never done before.
They get to work with video equipment, lighting equipment, sound equipment of the highest caliber.
Speaking the languages of all those different softwares and hardwares is a huge advantage.
We keep our finger on the pulse of the thriving live event industry through our deep connections with its heart, New York City.
Being in New York City, it's full of life.
Historically about collaboration and creating things live and in person.
You guys can come together and create something magical.
We are weekly challenging ourselves.
Bring your flavor to this program and help us make what live events will be in the future.
I feel as though there is no limit for me and my creativity and where it can go.